अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। आज इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे पीपीएससी लेक्चर जोलॉजी के पेपर जो कि 20 दिसंबर 2020 को ही हुआ। इसमें हम तमाम क्वेश्चन इसके डिस्कस करेंगे विद ऑल ऑप्शंस एंड द पॉसिबल आंसर्स। आंसर जो है वो रीजन के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे, तमाम क्वेश्चन को डिटेल के साथ देखेंगे, तो आपने वीडियो जो है वो एंड तक देखनी है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डैश इज द अमीनो एसिड which is lost in cystic fibrosis? Alpha methionine, beta alanine, Charlie phenylalanine, and the delta glycine. The correct option for this question is phenylalanine. Actually, the mutation known to occur in cystic fibrosis is the deletion of phenylalanine 508. phenylalanine 508 अमीनो एसिड जो है वो उसमें डिलीट हो जाता है या लॉस्ट हो जाता है। तो इस कंडीशन को जो है वो सिस्टिक फाइब्रोसिस ट्रांसमेम्ब्रेन कंडक्टेंस रेगुलेटर या CFTR कहते हैं। सो हेयर द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज द चार्ली फिनाइलएलानिन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, लिविंग डैश आर स्केल लेस, हैगफिशेस, शार्क्स, बोनी फिशेस और द ऑस्ट्रेकोडर्म्स। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज अल्फा, हैगफिशेस। एक्चुअली हैगफिशेस जो होती हैं दे हैव ईल लाइक बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर and no scales are present on their body. So correct option for this question is hagfishes, which are scaleless. Next question is question number 3. In the membranous skeleton, dash sheath surrounds the central nervous system: perineural, perineurium, peritoneum or the perichondrium. Here the best option is beta, perineurium. Perineurium is the sheath that surrounds the central nervous system. The perineurium is a protective sheath that surrounds a nerve fascicle. This bundled together axons targeting the same anatomical location. So here the correct option is the beta. Next question is question number 4. The calmodulin acetylcholine protein has dash binding sites for the calcium: 1, 2, 3 or the 4. Actually this protein has 2 domains and each domain binds with the 2 calcium ions. So there are 2 binding sites present on each domain and the total binding sites present are the 4. You can see in the diagram there are 2 calcium binding sites on each domain. So there are 2 domains present actually. The protein has 2 approximately symmetrical globular domains, the N and the C domains, each containing a pair of EF hand motifs separated by a flexible linker region for a total of the 4 calcium binding sites. The correct option is delta 4. Question 5. The binary numbers 11000 and 11 has the decimal value equal to 4, 16, 99, 128. The correct option is Charlie, 99. Actually this is a question related to the general knowledge. The next question, some minerals are needed in relatively large amount and are called macrominerals, non-essential minerals, trace minerals or the microminerals. The correct option is the alpha macrominerals. Question number 7. Change the narration. The father said, if you don't work, Usman, you will fail. We have to change the narration. This is related to the English question. Alpha, the father told Usman that if he did not work, he would fail. Beta, the father warned Usman that if he did not work, he would fail. And Charlie, the father told Usman that if he did not work, he will fail. Delta, the father told Usman that in case he did not work hard, he would fail. The most suitable option here is the beta. The father warned Usman that if he did not work, he would fail. The next question, question 8. Dash step of action potential is energy dependent: depolarization, repolarization, action potential stage or the refractory period. The best option here is the delta refractory periods. Next question, vertebrate photoreceptors dash in response to stimulus: depolarization, repolarization, hyperpolarization or the transduction. So here the best option is the Charlie, hyperpolarization. Next question, the large part of human brain is cerebellum, cerebrum, medulla oblongata or the pituitary gland. The best option obviously is the correct options beta cerebrum. The next question, the insects belongs to class Hexapoda, Diplopoda, Chilopoda, or the Arachnida? The correct option is the Hexapoda. Insects have 6 legs, 3 pairs of legs are present. Hexa means 6 and poda means legs, so the correct option is the alpha, Hexapoda. Question 12. Glycolysis converts glucose into pyruvate, glucose into phosphoenol pyruvate, fructose into pyruvate, or fructose into phosphoenol pyruvate. The correct option is alpha, glucose into pyruvate. इसके नतीजे में pyruvate बनता है glycolysis के नतीजे में, तो ग्लूकोज का मॉलिक्यूल जो है पायरुवेट में कन्वर्ट होता है. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज द अल्फा. क्वेश्चन 13. द यूनिवर्सल ब्लड डोनर्स फॉर द एबीओ सिस्टम आर टाइप ए बी सी ए बी ओ और द ए बी. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज द चार्ली. ओ इज द यूनिवर्सल डोनर ब्लड ग्रुप. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Dash occurs in eukaryotes but not in prokaryotes. Attenuation, splicing, mitochondrial RNA, or the ribosomes. The correct option of this question is splicing, that occurs in eukaryotes but not in prokaryotes. Next question. Dash helps in maintaining the shape of the eye. Neuroglia, aqueous humor, vitreous humor, or the pericardion. The correct option is vitreous humor. Vitreous or humor or the vitreous, the clearly jelly that fills the eyeball behind the lens. It helps support the shape of the eye and transmit light to the retina. So the correct option is vitreous humor. Question number 16. Which of the following organization did Pakistan join in 1969? SAARC, NAM, OIC, or the D8? Here the correct option is OIC. Question number 17. Dash in the asthenosphere is the major factor behind the movement of tectonic plates. Thickness of crust, heat conduction, heat convection, or temperature of inner core differentiation. The correct option is the heat convection. That is the best option for this question. Question number 18. Dash is the largest single cause of loss of biodiversity. Habitat destruction, hunting, pollution, or the diseases. So best option is the habitat destruction. Best option for this question is habitat destruction, because if there is no place to live or no home for the animals, there is no life. So there is no biodiversity if there is no habitat. So habitat destruction is the largest cause of the loss of biodiversity. Question number 19. McConaughey agar is widely used for selection of gram-negative strain, Bacilli, Salmonella and Shigella, or the Staphylococcus. The correct option is gram-negative strain. McConaughey agar is selected for gram-negative organisms and helps to differentiate lactose fermenting gram-negative rods from non-lactose fermenting gram-negative rods. The correct option is alpha. Question number 20. The dash fishes have well-developed stomach and the intestine than that of the herbivores of comparable size. Grazing, strainer, predatory, or the second. So here we are talking about the well-developed stomach and the short intestine. So in case of grazing, there is no need of well-developed stomach. In grazing fishes or the herbivore fishes, the stomach is not well developed, but the intestine is longer. So if there is well-developed stomach, so there is need to digest more. So the predatory fishes have well-developed stomach because they eat other organisms. They depend upon other organisms. So the correct option is predatory, Charlie. Question number 21. Arms are absent in class Ophiuroidea, Asteroidea, Echinoidea, or the Crinoidea. The correct option is Charlie, Echinoidea. So there are no arms present, you can see in the diagram. Question number 22. Out of following, which acts as pacemaker of the heart? AV node, Purkinje fiber, SA node, or the conus arteriosus. The best option or the correct option here is the Charlie SA node that acts as a pacemaker of the heart. The next question, question number 23. Studies that involve a single dose of exposure of very short duration are acute, subchronic, chronic, or the observation period. The correct answer is acute. Question number 24. What is the main substance reabsorbed in the region of the descending limb of loop of Henle? Sodium, potassium, ammonia, or the water? So here the best option is the delta. Actually, water is the main substance that absorb during the descending limb of loop of Henle. You can see in the diagram. In the descending limb of loop of Henle, the water is reabsorbed mostly. So the main substance reabsorbed during the descending loop of Henle is the water. While in case of ascending loop of Henle, ascending limb of loop of Henle, the sodium chloride or the sodium ions are also reabsorbed. The next question, question number 25. The uterine tube terminates in a hollow muscular organ in front of rectum and behind the urinary bladder is called uterus, vagina, cervix, or the endometrium. The correct option is the uterus. Question number 26. The myelin sheath is derived from the microglia, neuroglia cells, Schwann cells, or the nerve cells. So here the best answer is neuroglia cells. Beta is the best option because the myelin sheath membranes originate from and are a part of the Schwann cells in the peripheral nervous system and the oligodendroglial cells in the central nervous system. So two cells are involved which are both collectively called the neuroglia. Obviously Schwann cells produce the myelin sheath, but these are also involved from the oligodendroglial cells in case of the central nervous system. Both the Schwann cells and the oligodendroglial cells are called neuroglia. The correct option is the beta. Question number 27. Many of the animals, when from different ancestors, colonize similar habitats, acquire similar adaptation and resembles with another superficially is called as a parallel evolution, tempo evolution, divergent evolution, or the convergent evolution. The answer is the convergent evolution. Next question, question number 28. The maggots are usually larvae of Coleoptera, Lepidoptera, Isoptera, or the Diptera. The correct option is the Diptera. Question number 29. Amphibians without tail belongs to order Gymnophiona, Chordata, Squamata, or the Anura. Here the correct option is the Delta Anura. Question number 30. Which one of the following companies were the first to introduce the mobile phone? Nokia, Ericsson, Motorola, or the Samsung? So Motorola is the first company who introduced the mobile phone. The correct option is the Charlie. So यहाँ तक हमने 30 क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगी. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह जो है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है डिस्कस करेंगे. अगर एक वीडियो में सारे करते तो वीडियो ऑब्वियसली ज़्यादा लंबी हो जाती. तो यहाँ तक हमने 30 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए विद पॉसिबल आंसर्स डिटेल के साथ. अब तक के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़.